Y'all remember the cheapo section that I went to grab these alien keycaps? Well, we went there and this stuff was on sale for $3 down from $5. So we ended up picking up the frog keycaps and the soccer ball ones from Vivitar. All the stuff was on clearance. The keyboards, unfortunately, were marked down from $10 to $8, so I did not get them because they didn't have any more. The mouse pads were still $5, so I didn't grab any of those. Let's open these up and really check them out. And that's all of them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and what should we do with these? What keyboard should we put them on?